Hello YouTube, Metal Trooper 62 here, and I have a request video. I have an '07 Dodge Charger RT with the 5.7 Hemi, and my issue is when I try to start it, it turns over and everything, but it doesn't start. So here we go. So got all the lights. Nothing. So the check engine light's on. Little one light. My camera would. Okay, that went off. And seat belt. It's got plenty of crank power and everything. But yeah. Turn the accessory. I can't tell if I can hear it priming or anything, but nothing. Started doing this a couple days ago. Like when I went outside to start it, normally I would just turn the key and it would start. Well, it was doing what it's doing, so I'd turn it off, and then I'd click it over, and I'd wait a few seconds, and then I would start it, and it would start up. And it was weird. It only did it in the morning. The rest of the day, it would start up and everything just fine. So I'll try it one more time, because I seen a light over here that I wasn't. So those lights, and nothing. So if any of you all might know where I can troubleshoot this, I am not mechanically inclined if it's anything over 1973. So I don't know nothing about this electronic and all this other stuff, but to me it just doesn't seem like it's getting fuel. But I mean, again, these have a lot of electronic stuff. But anyway, any information would be great. It's not something I can really afford right now, but, it is what it is. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. See ya.